Till now we have been teaching the child the sounds of the vowels. Now the sounds of the vowels will change to the long sounds, and what do we mean by long sounds is what I'm going to tell you now. So now every alphabet has a sound, like we saw A, and now every alphabet also has a name, A. The sound is the short sound and the name is the long sound. And when does the short sound change to the long sound in a word is what we will see, and how can we teach it to the child to incorporate it as a part of his reading is what we will see now. Now, teaching long sounds to the child can be a little tricky. Let me show you what is the most simplest way to start long sounds with a child. We have already done the CVC words with the child. Pin, cub, pip, tub. Now, what we need to explain to the child is that there is a magic E, which when put at the end of the CVC word, the E remains silent and the vowel sound, the middle sound, becomes the long sound. P-I-N, pin. But when we add the magic E, E becomes I. P-I-N, pine. K-A-B, cub. But when we add the magic E, K-U-B, cube. P-I-P, pip. Again, when we add the magic E, which is silent, P-I-P, pipe. The vowel sound, which was earlier a short sound, converts to a long sound and E is silent. T-A-B, tub. With the magic E, it becomes T-U-B, tube. So when you start teaching long sounds, this is the best way to start. There are around 11 long sounds, and I'm going to show you on the next screen how to go about the other long sounds. This worksheet is for the long sound A. Cave, K-A-V, cave. Here the child is only asked to write the consonant. If you want, you can even make the child circle the long sounds in red, so they are able to identify it in a better way. If you see the next worksheet, this is the long sound I. K-I-T, kite. Moving ahead, this is the long sound O. Home, H-O-M, home. The long sound U. M-U-L, mule. Let's move ahead. Now over here we have the long sound O. Again, the magic E makes O. D-O, do. T-O, to. H-O, ho. Similarly, E becomes the long sound E. B-E, B. E becomes the long sound I. T-I, tie. P-I, pie. So I've just shown you worksheets for 4 long sounds. You can do the remaining long sounds in the similar manner with the child. And doing long sounds after the CVC blending is really helpful. After finishing the long sounds, when you move on to blends, you can move on to blends phonetically, or you can move on to blends with the long sounds. And the child is practically reading everything after that. Thank you. To purchase Anandaya Foundation books, email to reach us at anandayafoundation.org. For digital books and the tutorials, visit www.anandayafoundation.org.